feel really prepared going into the future because of being at UND. And
I ended up falling in love with the campus, and now I'm staying in Grand Forks.
I came to UND to study petroleum engineer. In my junior year, I switched to the business school. I grew up just eating a lot of crap as a kid. Now that I live in Grand Forks, I kind of miss them. And this is where I came up with the French taste idea.
I have done 3 internships. One specifically in Grand Forks was with the Greater Grand Forks Young Professionals. And that internship really transformed my experience here. That's really what made Grand Forks, the community, not just UND, feel like home to me.
So the classes that I took, we were able to take over a city businesses. Ours was the Olive Barrel, and take over their social media. And then in communications, I took a class called Ad and PR Campaigns, where we actually were able to do an entire ad and PR campaign for Blues on the Red.
Doing an internship makes you realize everything that you learn in the book you actually do have to do, and you get to experience it firsthand.
Started my internship here at BBI fall of 2016. So many things that I didn't know about Grand Forks that I learned about just by doing the magazine and being more involved in the community. And that's kind of where I learned to love Grand Forks.
UND just have, I think the right classes, the right professors, and a lot of resources in UND and in the city of Grand Forks.
If you are a business and you're looking to have a UND student be an intern or a full-time employee, give them all the opportunity that you can. If they have an amazing experience, they're going to be an amazing employee for you or somewhere else if you're not able to hire them on full-time.
It really makes it hard to think about leaving after you've worked really hard and made all these connections with people, and has really just made everything come full circle.